Some people sound smarter even when they say less. It's not what they say, but when they say it. Most of us reply the second a thought pops into our head. Meetings, group chats, arguments. We jump in so it doesn't get awkward, but replying too fast can make you sound unsure, even when you're not. Because fast replies feel reactive, and nobody realizes that's the vibe they're giving. A short pause makes it feel like you chose your words, so people listen a little harder. That's why the smartest person in the room usually waits just a beat. Why do?